guys. I told him to record this video. I have mods for this game too. Hey, I'm going to boost. Gosh. Of course, fast. Alright, so I'm going to pick up. I'm sorry I couldn't working. I got my license. First place. Thought that. I should go play online. There's only like one more coin to get. Okay, it's time to go play online. Oh, there it is. I'm sorry guys, I moved here. We're gonna play with different people. That's what I need to do on another game. What game was it I was online with? Because GTA Online is coming to the channel. That's supposed to come next week. I don't want to know. Thinking about it. Forget what game it was. It was this game. Can't play online, guys. Maybe. Now, well. No. Okay, I promise I'll show you guys the mods. Where I get these games from. Hold on. Okay, it's time for me to show you where I get these mods from. So look, let's say I'm gonna go download the game. Go yeah. See, you see where it says modding the stuff, and the stuff like what, yeah, like this. Mod unlimited stores, coins unlocked. You get speed modded. You will never. And if you want more regions, I'm gonna give you the name of it. Yeah, but you guys can start them on mods, and you guys can start ruining the place of mods and stuff. So if you go to Visions, you get stuff like can't die when you're playing on like all levels and characters. And let's say, oh, I want this game. Like so, like so first, I get that game. It's coming really soon to the channel. That's like GTA Online's coming. Like I know about GTA. And see, it's push on install, and this screen pop up. And bam. But and then it will have app installed. So now you do. Click right there. This app. Okay. So then, as if this thing is white. Extra die. What the is this mod? I don't wanna. I don't know. What is this mod? I think I got the wrong mod. Okay, guys, I'm sorry about that. No, it's supposed to be a talk show. Talk got. And I like doing the talk show, and I didn't think people would watch it. Okay, let's do Subway Surfers. Okay, so this is where you go. It's called Happy Mod. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. Oh my gosh. Wait, I don't think I need to do anything. Yeah, see? It was just pwned. Now this one has unlimited coins, keys. You get everything. This one says no payment stuff. It's in what other versions of all the moddings and stuff like that. The purchase of goods free. Wait, what does this modding say? Well, you can get guys like characters like this one. You can just buy and buy. And you got for keys for everything. You can only just hack the game. This is where I got Granny from. And Roblox from. Well, Bendy, that came from Play Store. I paid for that game. Okay, it seems like I can't buy it because of a game. And that game has to go because that game will take up too much storage. And that's who came from this game, from this store. Yes, I don't want to know what's the name, right? Okay. And see, there you guys go. And Subway Surfers will pop up. It's still recording. That's okay. That's great. I am not 65 years old. Man, you're trying to kill me? I am not 6 years old. Here he goes. I'm 65 now. I'm 16. Wrong thing. What's this? I can get. Oh, I don't think. Look what I got. You're not supposed to have much. I'm out the heck out of this game. I need on purpose. I need someone new. Wow. I never won that long. No way. Oh my god. I can beat him in King. I'm higher than him. That's a lot of money. Flex. See? You got. So I can just. How? I didn't know to get. They got Facebook. Well, I'm just got just poor people. Okay, guys. So it seems like. I'm gonna find out. Until today. Well, guess what we can get. We also can get these. Okay, $1.99. And I can get. I could just keep on collecting it. No, you know what? Earlier, there was a thing where it said a cuss word. And what even is this? I don't want to care. This is just my not even mine. Oh my god. It's just a big dumb thing. The dumb ad. So it has the thing. You know, guys. See you in the next video.